hundreds of facilities across North America, this billion-dollar organization is a household name in consumer packaged goods. Across two facilities, a greenfield and a brownfield, spanning over 1.7 million square feet, this Fortune 500 company is 100% reliant on auto technology for their material transport. They evaluated all types of solutions to handle their material handling challenges. OTTO's AMR platform was chosen for its robustness, scalability, flexibility, and proof of healthy financial payback. OTTO AMR systems deployed at scale have an ROI of less than 2 years as a capital expense. With leasing options, it takes even less time to achieve ROI. The major payback drivers for the company were labor savings, improved safety, and increased productivity. To read the full story of this significant deployment, click the button below.